Hello everyone, today is the fourth day of our 12 days of Christmas craft and we're gonna be making a snowman. And these are the materials and they are listed in the description as always. The first thing I'll do is put the rice inside of my sock. I'm using a very small tiny sock. You can use whatever size, and I'm going to help put the rice inside with a funnel. I'm using brown rice because that's what we have at home, but I recommend you to use white rice better because you can see it through a little bit. So as you can see, you have to make the rice go all the way down, so I'm pushing it down. This is probably the hardest part of the craft, but everything else is so easy and fun to make. I'm pushing it down this way better. I'm holding it with the can on the bottom to secure it, and I think that's the best way to do it. To put a container underneath and push it down with a funnel. So that's why I think it's pretty much, maybe a little bit more. So now what you need to do is tie a knot on the top, and then you divide the head with the body with an elastic tie. You can also use rubber bands, but I don't like it. The head is too small, so let me do it again. Now I like it better. So now I'm gonna cut the excess of the sock on the top. And as you can see, I already cut my sock. I'm just gonna use these two parts. Maybe have a sip of my tea. And continue with the last touches. I'm going to add the eyes. These are stickers, so you don't really need the hot glue, but I want it to be more secure. You can also use tacky glue or any other kind of glue if you're using, or I should say if you're doing this craft with your kids or grandkids, because the hot glue could be a little dangerous for them. Well, now I'm going to add the scarf first. I don't like how thick it is, so let me cut it in half. So basically that's all the scarf is, but I'm going to just cut the little tips like this so it will look nicer. Now I'm going to put the hat. As you can see, I'm going to also add this little jingle bell on the top. You can also secure the hat with glue. And now I'm going to cut the little piece of pipe cleaner already and put it in as the nose. And I'm adding the buttons for the body, also using hot glue, but you can use regular glue too. And that's it. I made two. And I also added blush for the cheeks with a Q-tip. As you can see, they look so adorable. Until tomorrow, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.